Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Aparna Khan and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all this classic red glam makeup look. So yeah, please follow me on my Instagram which you see on screen right here. I post some amazing videos and photographs, and also subscribe my channel before starting. It will mean an absolute world for me. Now without much more ado, let's get started. So this is the classic simple ethnic glam. This is perfect for any wedding occasion or just like a simple wedding guest makeup look. I thought like wedding season is just going on, so this makeup will be so perfect and so easy, no hassle and bustle. Okay, so that was much blabbering. Now let's, without a single second, let's start with the tutorial. Now first I was starting out with the moisturizer. This is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, my absolute favorite. Applying it all over my face for that glowy and hydrating skin. Now for the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128, and I am applying it only on my my front features. I'm not just going all over my face. I'm using like a concealer just to highlight my features and where I feel like I'm having pimples or that need to be covered. And please guys, don't bombard me with a question like, oh my god, why you use light foundation? I don't use light foundation. It's just oxidizes on me very badly, very badly. So yeah, now for setting my whole face, I'm using Maybelline compact powder, and I'm just setting my face especially under my eyes and around my lips and my nose and my forehead, everywhere, because I'm from oily skin. Now for the face, I'm using this Swiss Beauty blush palette, and I'm using that orange color, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks. And yeah, I love blush, and this is how I used to apply. I applied in an upward motion so that it gave me that youthful look. And cheeks, not cheese. Oh my god, cheeks. And yeah, a little bit on my nose. Now the usual stuff, doing my brows. And for the highlighter, I'm using my favorite metallic highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm using it as an eyeshadow base for all over my lid, my transition, everywhere. And now I'm taking that very soft brown and copper tone color, and I'm just applying it on my crease because I want some dimension on my eyes. So I'm just very slightly dusting it off, and that using that shame not shame what happened to my words, I don't know. Now using that same color under my waterline, and yes, that same highlighter for highlighting my face with a pop of lashes. Yeah, I love false eyelashes. If you want, you can skip this, it's totally up to you, but I love whenever I wear lashes. So yeah, that's why I love to wear lashes. And highlighting my face features. And now it's time to move on to the jewelry. For that, I'm using very simple, very simple golden earrings and a bindi and a red lipstick. This red lipstick is from ADS. I'm keeping this tutorial very affordable so that you guys can easily recreate. And that was my hair without anything. I just comb my hair and it automatically created in that poof. And yeah, that's the finished look. And lots of you people ask about my hair color, guys. It's just a lighting effect. I don't have any hair color on. So yeah, that's the final look. Please follow me on my Instagram, which is Aparna Khan. Subscribe my channel, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you guys will love this tutorial, and there is more coming, very more. I would really appreciate if you take a moment and comment below which step do you like. And yeah, so that's the wrap, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye bye, take care.